Hello, another video. So, I've put everything back on my bed. It's been on for a while now, actually. Everything's back on the bed. I'm getting cooler again now, so I'm going to put my thick cardi on again in a minute. But I just wanted to show you something. Well, look at that. A piece of jigsaw. So, what happened was, when I open this to get at my comb or my biscuits or DVDs and stuff, all those things, and then I close it and then I open it again, eventually that jigsaw there jolts and it shifts and eventually it falls off. So one day it fell off and the lid came off and all the jigsaw pieces went everywhere. So I was hunting around for them all over, didn't know where they'd gone, picking them up, and obviously I missed that bit. I found it on the floor the other night, so just going to put it back in with the rest of them. I think there's a piece missing on this jigsaw anyway, but it nearly had 2 pieces missing, and now I'll put it back. I don't know what that is. Is that a dormouse or something? It just says animals, it doesn't say exactly. So I'll put it back up now. Hopefully I can do it with one hand. There we are. It's back up there now. Phew. So I've put that jigsaw piece away. I hope I don't go and find any more stray ones now then. I thought that was one there, but it's not. No, I don't think there's any more stray jigsaw pieces, unless some went under the bed. That thing is not level with the bed again. I've just put it straight now, and that's okay. Can't see any more jigsaw pieces. I'll just do this and see. Don't think there's any more jigsaw pieces around. Anyway, sorry this video is a bit shorter, but if you did enjoy it, give it a like and subscribe. And I'll see you later. Bye.